Let's play some Fortnite on my PS4. What the heck? The emergency alert system has to be in the middle of the game? That's just rude.
Hey Virtual Goomba, I don't know what the heck are you mad about, but you need to shut the heck up and stop acting like a baby. It annoys me when you do it.
But Dad, my Fortnite has been no ruined. That's it. I am going to kill the man who is disrespectful. Oh, you shut up, you diddle, and don't move, you muscle-of piece of crap. This is what you get for ruining my game. I am going to kill him. That's final.
Oh my freaking god. And how dare you try to kill me with my gun. You know you're not laughing.
Oh, no, I better run!
Man, what I beat it all day.
Somebody help me?
What's wrong, Virtual Goomba?
The emergency alert system reporter is trying to catch me.
Don't worry, you can come to my house and watch some YouTube. What do you want to watch?
Dave Madsen all through bloopers episodes 101-140.
That's a good idea. Let's watch Dave Madsen all through bloopers episodes 101-140.
After watching Dave Madsen Thorg bloopers episodes 101-140.
That was a great movie.
Oh my god. Dark Purple Goomba. How dare you watch Dave Madsen all through bloopers 101-140. That's it. I will tell your parents about this virtual Goomba. How dare you kill me without a gun? That's it. Go home right now before I call your parents. Hello? Is this virtual Goomba's parents? Yes, your son tried to kill me with me. Oh my god, can you ground him? Thanks. Bye-bye. As for this virtual Goomba, I will be telling your parents about this.
Oh my god, what is going on here?
Well, you won't believe what your son did. Dark virtual Goomba goes. Virtual Goomba's house to watch Dave Madsen. Episodes 101-140. I tried to catch him, but no. Listen to me. Can you ground him for this?
Sure, we will. The emergency alert system reporter, you are free to go. Oh my god, Dark Virtual Goomba, how dare you watch Dave Madsen all through bloopers episodes 101-140 with Virtual Goomba. That's it. You are grounded for 4,561,293 years.
Go upstairs to your room right now.
At Virtual Goomba's house. Oh my god. Virtual Goomba. How dare you try to kill the EAS reporter? Why would you do that?
Because Mom and Dad, the emergency alert system just have to be root of the game.
We don't care. You are super grounded 3722935181828 years.
Now go upstairs to your room right now. Or else we will send you to Italy.
Wait.